Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on cybersecurity domain. We are going to detect here some cyber frauds. In networking, what will happen? So many different file sharing will occur, and those files, sometimes anonymous users or attacker or intruder will attack by sending some malicious files. So we are going to analyze here on a workstation or a network administrator side, what are the files are affected statically and dynamically, what ransomwares are there, how we are going to dynamically check here, the malicious data inside the file. We are going to do that in this project. So this is the landing page of the project. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end development, we are using here HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend development, we are using here Python programming along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python to develop web applications. We are using MySQL database here. Now, this is the landing page of our project. This project contains two different types of users, workstation and a user. Let's go to user, and for better execution of the project, I will open these two different users in two different tabs. Let's say this tab is for workstation and another tab I will open in a new window for user. This is the user login page. As we are a new, let's try to register a new user here. So I'll provide the details. Let's say some details like date of birth, something, email ID, password, some contact number, city, profile picture. Okay, let's submit this registration page. Registration is completed successfully and we have been redirected to the login page. And let's try to log in here by providing the same details. Login is successful. Now in the dashboard here of the user, we can see how many files are available in the network and how many users are there, how many workstations, and number of user login attempts. Okay. Here, there is an option at the top. We can see upload data or upload the file. Let's go and upload some file here. My cloud backup. Let me select file here. I'll select this text file, upload file. File is uploaded, you can see here successfully. Now let's go to workstation and let's try to log in with workstation. Workstation login successful. We can see the dashboard here where how many users are there, how many workstation, number of files, attackers, how many files have been attacked here. Let's go to data analysis, and we have got here something like static analysis and dynamic analysis. Under static analysis, if we go, we can see there is a file here with this name, and the extension of this file is this. Okay, if we want, we can check this file by downloading it. Let's click on this link. And it's available for download now. After downloading, I can cross-verify, and after that, I can mark this as safe. Okay, mark as safe, I am saying. So save file data, here it is available now. After marking it as safe, it's available now here under save file data. IP address also we are gathering from where it has been uploaded. Okay, now let's go to user and try to upload another file. Something, let's try to upload it. This time I will try to upload some malicious, file. Let's say this file. exe file I'm trying to upload here. Okay, we know it very well. These types of files like .exe, .dll may contain some malicious, okay, data from which the complete network or the system can be harmed. Let's upload file. File uploaded successfully. Now let's go to workstation and check in the static analysis. And here this file is there of exe. Okay, so the file extension is this. Let's not mark it as safe, mark it as ransomware. Okay, now after marking it as ransomware, it will be available in dynamic analysis. Okay, under static analysis, if we mark it as safe, it will be, okay, migrated to safe file. If we mark here it as, okay, ransomware, then it will be available for dynamic analysis. Now you can see the file is available in here, dynamic analysis. This file is available in dynamic analysis. Now I will execute my algorithm here. My algorithm will check whether it contains any malicious data, whether it contains any harmful information through its extension, through its content. Okay, after that it will display the result. Let's try to execute this. File found ransomware. This file is having a ransomware. Okay, file found ransomware, and you can see now this file is available under ransomware. File ransomware file data. Here it is. Okay, this file is marked as ransomware, and it's available from this IP address. It has been uploaded. Okay, we are capturing the IP address as well. Got it? Fine. Now, under user here, if we go user file, we can see here one file is available which is marked as safe, but second file of this user is marked as ransomware here. This is the ransomware file. Got it? Fine. Now let's go to upload file. I will upload one more file here. Something project data, choose file. Let's upload some PDF file here. Upload file. Uploaded file successfully. Now in between, there is a third user, attacker. After uploading the files, attackers can come to the network and they will enter into our network and they will try to, okay, encrypt our file data. Let's try to go to attacker and check what attacker can perform and what actions they can do in a network. So I'll copy the URL till here. I'll open in a new tab. After that, I'll give here attacker URL. So this is the attacker. They will enter into our network, and after that, they can access here all the data. So what they will do is nothing but here you can see 2 files are there from this user, 3 files are there, and they will try to encrypt the files in a network. For what means? After encrypting the file, they will have their own encryption algorithm. Now they will harass the user. If you want this file, you have to pay this much of Bitcoins. Okay, you have to pay some amount in order to access this file. So this file, they will try to encrypt at the database, data server. Okay, web server. So this file, they will try to modify it. Let me click on this encrypt here. File got encrypted. This file has got encrypted here. Okay, the encrypted file, it's not, okay, available now here, it's encrypted. Now after that, if you go to user and check out in user file, here you can see this file is verification in process. The verification is in process. Let's go to workstation. And under workstation, if you go to static analysis, okay, here the file is there, available. We have downloaded it. We can mark it as safe or mark it as ransomware. Mark it as safe. It's available in safe file. But under the attacker here, when attacker tries to enter into the network and when they have encrypted data, They assume that the file is being encrypted, but the file will not be encrypted onto the server. Okay, you can see here I'm trying to encrypt the files here, but here the files are not encrypted. Okay, the files are not encrypted here. Those three files are not available here now. If you go to user side and if you check here user file, and now you can see here mark as safe. One is file is ransomware, another file is also mark it as safe. Okay, and workstation also nothing will happen. Okay, the static analysis is available. We have done the test static analysis, dynamic analysis we have done. Okay, safe file we have done, and ransomware also we have seen here. Under analysis report, if we have got some sort of analysis, here you can see some file has been attacked by the user under analysis report. What file is there? This is a file attacked of this target user from this IP address, and the attacker desktop name is this. Okay, targeted user is this. Three files have been attacked here. Event ID, okay, action, and target username is this. And from where it has been attacked, this is the IP address. From here, the attack has been done. Next. Okay, so we can see here these three files. When attacker clicked on the encrypt button, they try to encrypt the data such that the data will be encrypted on the server. If the concept is like that, now they will harass the user to provide some sort of information or to provide some bitcoins, okay, by means of to decrypt the data, to retrieve the data back. So in this project, we have analyzed in a very secure manner that even though the attacker attacks, our files will be saved in the workstation on a network. Okay, that is the concept of the project. We are getting the IP address also here. Okay, so I hope you have understood the project concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts regarding the project explanation or execution, you can get back to me. My number has been given. You can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.